Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, January the 23rd at Dollar General. I have a total of 6 deals for you guys today, and one is as low as 30 cents out of pocket. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can show your support for this channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important to scan each item in the app when you are in the store to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store. And for anyone who is curious, here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios. So first, I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. If your store has the newer keypads in place, you will have to ask your cashier what your subtotal is. If you still have the older keypads at your store, it will actually show you what your subtotal is on the screen. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Again, if you still have the older keypads at your store, it will show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. The only exception is if you are using a paper 5 off $25 coupon, you want to hand that over first before typing in your phone number for those digital coupons to come off. Now, keep in mind, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction, regroup, take a second, try to figure out what happened, and then try again because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will also still work because the transaction was never completed. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with a couple of gain deals. Now again, it is very, very important, especially when you are doing gain scenarios, to make sure that you scan each and every gain scented product because you want to make sure that that 5 off 30 gain and the 5 off 25 and any gain manufacturer digital coupons show up under each gain scented product because some gain scented products and some gain products do not work with the 5 off 30 gain coupon. Alright guys, and here's a quick example of what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's pretend that we are in the store and we've scanned the Gain Flings 51 count Moonlight Breeze scent. And again, this is just an example. These are older coupons. We do not have a 3 off 1 for the Gain Flings right now, but this is just an example, okay? So we scan the 51 count Moonlight Breeze Flings and all 3 of those digital coupons show up underneath that product. So that is what you want to look for. And if you are using any paper coupons, you still want to scan each gain scented product because you want to make sure that the 5 off 30 and the 5 off 25 show up under each gain product, even if you're using paper coupons. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, you are going to pick up 5 of the Gain laundry products that are priced at $3.95 each. There's a lot that you can choose from. You can pick up the flings, the fabric softener, the sheets, or the scent boosters. I know I have the liquid laundry detergent listed there, but just ignore that because that is not priced at $3.95. Then you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid or the powdered laundry detergent at $4.95. Then you're going to need to pick up 2 of the Gain scented Febreze products at $6. Those are $3 each. Again, there's a lot that you can choose from and you can mix and match. You can choose from the air fresheners, small spaces, car clips, or wax melts. Then you want to pick up one of the Bic 10 count pens. You can choose from blue or black pens for $1, one of the Nature's Truth Vitamin C vitamins for $1 in the dollar aisle, and one of the Crest Scope toothpaste for $1 in the dollar aisle. Your subtotal will be $33.70. And I do want to point out that I did just throw the Bic pens, the Nature's Truth vitamins, and the Crest toothpaste in there to take advantage of that overage. So if you don't have those coupons, don't worry, you can still do this deal. Your subtotal would just be $30.70 without those 3 items. Alright, so here is a picture of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 5 off 30 Gain, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product digital coupon, 4 of the 1-off-1 Gain insert coupons from the January 2 Save Insert, the 1-off-1 Gain laundry detergent digital coupon, the 3-off-2 Febreze digital coupon, the 2-off-5 Bic Products digital coupon that's going to take off 99 cents, the 2-off-1 Nature's Truth digital coupon, and the 2-off-1 Craz-E digital coupon. Your subtotal after coupons will be $9.71 for 11 items, making each one just 88 cents each. Alright guys, so for this next Gain scenario, you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid or the powdered laundry detergent at $4.95, one of the Gain laundry products at $3.95. Again, you can choose from the flings, fabric softener sheets, or the scent boosters. 2 of the Gain laundry products that are priced at $6.95 each. Again, there's a lot that you can choose from: flings, fabric softener sheets, or the scent boosters. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Gain scented Febreze products at $6. Those are $3 each. 1 of the Gain dish soaps for $2, 1 of the Big 10 count pens for $1, 1 of the Nature's Truth vitamins for $1, and 1 of the Craz-E Scope toothpaste for $1. Your subtotal is going to be $33.80. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 5 off 30 Gain, the 1-off-1 Gain laundry detergent digital coupon, the 1-off-1 Gain laundry product digital coupon, 2 of the 2-off-1 Gain laundry products from the January 2 Save Insert, the 3-off-2 Febreze digital coupon, the 2-off-5 Bic Products digital coupon that's going to take off 99 cents, the 2-off-1 Nature's Truth vitamins, and the 2-off-1 Craz-E toothpaste. Your subtotal after coupons will be $9.81 for all 10 items, making each one just 98 cents each. And once you're done picking up your Gain products, don't forget to scan your receipt into the pngoodeveryday.com rewards program. I do have a referral link. It's down in the description box below if you're not already signed up. And you are going to earn 250 points no matter which Gain scenario you choose to do. You're going to earn 250 points, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. Alright guys, so next up we kind of have a little repeat deal here, but this deal is so good, and this is going to be the last day that we can do this on Saturday with all of these awesome digital coupons. So we'll just want to make sure that everybody is aware of it. So for this scenario, you want to pick up one of the Cottonelle bath tissue 12 count at $5, one of the Scott bath tissue 12 count at $5, one of the Scott paper towel 6 count at $5.50, and 4 of the Kleenexes for $6. Those are $1.50 each. One of the Puffs tissue cubes at $1.65. One of the Craz-E Scope toothpaste for $1, one of the Nature's Truth vitamin C's for $1, and one of the Centrum vitamins 60 count for $5. That is going to put your subtotal at $30.15. You're going to have $4 in instant savings come off first at the register, and that is going to bring your new subtotal to $26.15. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 1-off-1 Cottonelle, the 1-off-1 Scott bath tissue, the 1-off-1 Scott paper towels, the 1-off-4 Kleenex, 1-off-1 Puffs tissues, 2-off-1 Craz-E, 2-off-1 Nature's Truth, and the 4-off-1 Centrum vitamins. Your subtotal after coupons will be $8.15 for all 11 items, making each one just 74 cents each. And don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now we do have that bonus on Cottonelle, Kleenex, Scott, and Viva products. When you spend $25, you're going to earn 5,000 points back, which is the equivalent of $5. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I do have a referral code. It's on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to get an extra 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. So definitely go and sign up. This is the easiest rebate app out there, and I highly recommend this, especially if you are a new couponer. Alright guys, next up I have an awesome food scenario for us this week. So for this one, you want to pick up 3 of the Quaker cereals or oatmeals for $6. Both of those are included in the sale. They're on sale this week, 3 for $6. You can mix and match, okay? One of the boxes of super soft pretzels for $2.75. One of the Carnation breakfast drink mix 6 count for $2.95. One of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 1 liter or 1.25 liters for $1. One of the bags of rolled gold pretzels for $2.95. One bag of Pirates Booty for $2, one bag of Skinny Pop popcorn for $2.70, one of the Big 10 count pens for $1, and one of the Schick Classic razors for $4. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $25.35. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 2 off 2 Quaker products, the 1 off 1 Super Soft Pretzel, 1 off 1 Carnation Breakfast, 2 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's products, 1 off 1 Pirates Booty, 1 off 1 Skinny Pop, 2 off 5 Big Pens, that's going to take off 99 cents, and the 3 off 1 Chic Razors. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.86 for all 11 items, making each one just 71 cents each. And I think that's a pretty awesome deal considering we are getting a lot of food items with this scenario. All right, next up, we have an awesome little personal care deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Nivea lotions that are priced at $3.65 each. 1 of the Shea Moisture African soaps for $5. 1 of the Chic Classic razors for $4. You can choose from the women's or the men's, whichever one you prefer. 1 of the Oral-B Indicator toothbrush 2 count for $3. 1 of the Centrum vitamins for $5. 5 of the American greeting cards for $2.50. Those are 50 cents each. 1 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1, and that is going to bring your subtotal to $27.80. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Nivea lotion, the 3 off 1 Nivea lotion, the 3 off 1 Shea Moisture, 3 off 1 Chic razors, 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, 4 off 1 Centrum vitamins, the buy one get one free American greeting cards, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, and the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste. Your subtotal after coupons will be $2.30 for all 12 items, making each one just 19 cents each. Alright guys, and last but not least, here is our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of the Shea Moisture African soaps for $5, 1 of the Chic Classic razors for $4, 1 of the Oral-B Indicator 2 count toothbrush for $3, 1 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1, 1 of the Centrum vitamins for $5, 1 of the Puffs tissue cubes for $1.65, 1 of the Nivea lotions for $3.65, 1 of the Nature's Truth vitamin C's for $1, and 5 of the American greeting cards for $2.50. Those are 50 cents each. That is going to bring your subtotal to $26.80. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Shea Moisture, the 3 off 1 Chic razors, the 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 4 off 1 Centrum vitamins, the 1 off 1 Puffs tissue, the 3 off 1 Nivea lotion, the 2 off 1 Nature's Truth, the buy one get one free American greeting cards, and the 1 off 3 American greeting cards. Your subtotal after coupons will be just 30 cents for 13 items, making each one just about 2 cents each. So how awesome is that, guys? And now that we have all these awesome 5 off $25 scenarios ready to go, we have our plans, we have our coupons clipped to our accounts, I just want to say I'm definitely going to be heading out to DG tomorrow to try out a couple of these all digital deals because we just have so many awesome deals this week and so many awesome products to pick up that I just can't pass it up. So let's all cross our fingers and hopefully all of our Dollar General stores will be very well stocked and have everything that we need in store tomorrow. Now, with all that being said, I do want to let y'all know today I am going to be going through my insert coupons and trying to come up with a couple more 5 off $25 scenarios using insert coupons because we just have so many awesome deals and awesome insert coupons out right now. So if you are one of the people who have insert coupons available to you, definitely check back later today in the community tab or at the very latest check before you go into Dollar General tomorrow. Like I said, I'll post those in the community tab and all of the details will be listed in that post. Now, in the meantime, if you're looking for some more deals that you can do, or if you need some more ideas for your 5 off $25 scenarios, definitely check out the pinned comment below because I'm going to be leaving a link to all of the videos that I posted this week. So on Sunday, we started out with our Dollar General new coupons and new glitches video where I go over all of the new Dollar General digital coupons. Then I posted the Dollar General good deals and glitch list video. In that video, I go over all of the sales, rebates, everything that is going on at Dollar General this week. And then on Wednesday, we've started something new here where we're going to be going over all of the best deals that are going on at Walgreens. We're going to call that Walgreens Wednesday. And of course, if you are a new couponer, you do not want to miss out on checking out my Craz-E Coupons Guide, How to Coupon for Beginners in 2022. And all of those videos will be linked down in the pinned comment below so that they are very easy to find for you. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but before you all go, I want to say thank you all, thank you all so very much, because yesterday we hit 19,000 19,000 crazy couponers. Can you guys believe that? We have 19,000 crazy couponers around the world right now. It just really does. It blows my mind, but I am just so happy, so thankful, and so grateful for each and every one of you all, because this has just been such a wild ride. I know that I have people in here that have been with me since day one, and you guys know, you've seen how this channel has grown, and I just can't wait to just keep going. You guys inspire me to do better. You inspire me to learn more. I want to get better at doing these videos. I want to do more in-store videos. So you guys, you really do keep me going. You really do keep me inspired, and I just want to do better and bring even more awesome content to you all. So thank you all so much for all of your love and support. It really does mean the world to me. Thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Alright guys, so like always, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, you know you want to be a crazy couponer, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and once we hit 20,000 subscribers, we are going to be doing an awesome giveaway. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can show your support for this channel, and as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, you guys know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and I will see you on the next one.